Today, Johan Kristoffersson, a 7-time world champion in rallycross, will give his reactions to the car.
It very much looks like the Polo we have, a little bit more towards the older version what we have with the 3-door version.
And for you guys that are new to the channel and haven't seen the build yet, here is a 10-second recap. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode on the channel. It was a while that we were in the screen and we haven't done so much things as we wanted to do. But the things that we have done is that we have been attending at Elmia exhibition. We finally made it. Day one at the exhibition. The car is in the state that we wanted. The front end is there. The headlights are there in a not so finished state, but they are there. We have gotten the Tillett seats inside the car at a proper seating mount and everything, so it's quite nice to finally see how the office will look like when it's finished. The first day has given us very nice positive feedback, and we cannot wait to see how the final 4 days will be for us, but we are on it and we are looking forward to it. The exhibition went very well. We got some new subscribers to the channel, a lot of reactions to the car. After Elmia, basically we haven't done so much to the car as we wanted. Maybe you can say that life goes on with every other thing that we are going to do. One of the things that has happened is that behind the scenes we have done a lot of things with the documents and everything to get our government to recognize this car as a car for the road. So we have got the documents that they are clearly saying that they approve that this is going to be a road legal car. So the process is officially started, and they haven't had anything to say about the dimensions of the piping and the technical stuff, so that's a huge win. So that's one of the things that have happened in the background. Also, one thing that we actually got when we were at Elmia, it was this piece, and this is the piece that Domiworks has helped us with, and this is our adapter to be able to have S54 throttle bodies on our white engine, and this is the generation 2 or V2 of the initial thought, because the first one has had some minor flaws that we have to address. But now this actually appears to be a piece that we can do in aluminium, and it has a lot of features that we are quite happy about. We are going to we had integrated so we can draw an AN20 fitting right inside the adapter, and also so we can have temperature and other stuff, so we can measure the water temp all in one piece. So this is going to be a really nice piece to make in aluminium and put on the car, so we can use it the proper way, because this is in plastic. We have basically switched the focus a bit from this to another car that are in picture here. It's the Corvette that we're going to do separate episodes about, but we have started to arrange all of the wiring and everything from Haltech to that car, so we're going to talk a bit more about that later on, and also, as I said, do separate episodes. Another thing I can say also is that we have worked out a plan how our radiator setup will be, and this is like a super raw mock-up of it, but basically this is the way that we going to have the radiators. We're going to have the intercooler in the front here, as you may see, and we're going to have a leaning water coolant radiator. And the thing that we are going to do is also a thing that I said in an earlier episode, I believe, which would be are going to be quite controversial, and it's that we are going to use an intercooler core to be used as a water radiator. And we are going to do a dual pass in this, and we're going to do custom baffles to the sides, so we can use it both as a leaning mounting application, so we can properly mount it. And also we're going to have the sides of the intercooler for the air will be the sides that are going to basically make it a tight sealing in this triangular that appears here. And we're going to have a fan that are pushing the air through the water radiator. And by doing that, our pushing fan will also be a sucking fan for the intercooler. And it will look kind of nice because you're not going to see the fan, but it will work hopefully very good when you do this. And then after that we're going to use a shroud that will go and release the air in the hood. So that's one thing that's going to be the biggest thing that happens in the front now when we have done the structure here, is basically to adapt and do all of the things that we have to do when it comes to the radiators. So yeah, we have to pick it up a notch and fabricate some stuff so we can come forward. As we mentioned in the intro, Joachim behind the camera had the opportunity to tag along with Johan Kristoffersson and his motorsport team during a World Rallycross event down in Portugal. During that event, Joachim captured Johan's reaction when he showed him the project that we are doing. So, Johan, what do you say about the project?
Thank you, Robin and Pluppen. I am Johan Kristoffersson. I am a 7-time World Rallycross champion, and I'm driving a similar Polo to the NukedPolo. And I have a few pictures here from the build. I will scroll through, and yeah, it very much looks like the Polo we have, a little bit more towards the older version what we have with the 3-door version. We have the 4-door version, but yeah, it is a huge job to build a car from scratch. Actually reminds me a little bit more of the electric car we had with the space frame chassis. And yeah, I mean, there's so many things, so many things that you have to work with to build a car from scratch. But what an interesting project you have done. And if you like to follow me on my channels, looking at our Polo, follow the same channel. And back to you, Robin and Pluppen.
Thank you very much for those kind words. It's quite humbling and inspiring to hear that from a 7-time world champion that he likes the project, and he also has recognized the project because as we recalled it, the clips of the Polo has come all the way up to the top when it comes to Volkswagen racing guys in the team, and then they have seen the project, so very, very cool. And now we will get a behind the scenes view from the actual event down in Portugal, and what Joachim has basically done over a few days with the team.
Who's gonna save you when the lights go out?
Lousada, finally back driving again. So nice to be back in the car, and we are here 1 week before the race and do a EOT test, which means we have brought our internal combustion cars and our electric car. There is a championship driver from FIA which is driving all the different cars from all our competitors, which is Andreas Backerud this weekend, and FIA is collecting data to then try and make an as fair and equal championship as possible in between the two different technologies. So, but yeah, for us it's been a really nice, fun day to be back in the car. I've driven both the internal combustion and I've driven also the electric car, which we used 2023, and new track layout here as well. Never driven that one before, so really nice, enjoyable track, and but just basically enjoying being back in rallycross.
Vamos arrancar, tá na hora.
Tommy, are we ready for race day today?
No, not really.
Not really.
Day one here in Portugal done. Quite a difficult day, unfortunately, but yeah, came out P5 in both starts. From there on, managed to do one overtaking on Clara, and then I got one of them in the Joker on the second heat. But yeah, I finished P5 and P6. So happy to be here, filling out the grid.
I'm here with Johan Kristoffersson with KMS, standing P7 after the first day. You're in pole position, only fuel cars in your heat. What's the plan? New tires? What's the strategy?
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, first of all, the start will be very important. I think this year we have improved the consistency of our starts, at least from what we have seen on the testing and the first two races. So I hope that consistency stays okay for this heat, because this heat will be very important to try and get a clean track. Yesterday I was a lot in traffic, so it was a bit difficult, but hopefully today we will have some free air and hopefully try and yeah, make 4 good laps. So in Portugal Lousada semi-final, I had a very good start, managed to come out in P1 from pole position, and from there on, yeah, I had a couple of good laps, managed to stay in front and book myself a front position for the final. In the final, Niklas was up the inside, couldn't really go around him going into T1. Even though I had a very good start, we have improved our launches this year and they are much more consistent, so that's very good for the future. And yeah, from there on left yeah, hanging around the outside here in the first couple of corners, very tricky. Lost a couple of positions there. Was having pretty good pace behind Kevin, and he managed to overtake Clara. The lap after that, I managed to overtake Clara, but was a bit yeah, too late to get to the front fight for the highest positions. But finished off P5, and yeah, Ole Christian got a podium. So all in all, a pretty good result for us here. Some important championship points. And also a very good job from all teams.
It sure looks like that Joachim had a super nice weekend with the team. I really want to be there myself, but Joachim is the camera guy, and that was a purpose with it. So he will he did all of the camera things for them. But Joachim managed to get this emblem from one of the mechanics in the team, and this is the emblem from that car that you have been seeing flying around there on the dirt tracks. So this is a piece that we will hopefully get in the front or in the back, so we will certainly get this on the car because it's a quite cool feature to have. Another thing that is really nice to be able to say to you guys is that we have a new sponsor to the project and the things that we are doing here in the garage. It's a quite big company actually, and the company is Paoli. And for you guys that are truly into motorsport and maybe have seen some things and clips or whatever from pits, in pit lanes, regarding even if it's GT3 racing or if it's F1, Paoli is the brand that supply all of the true motorsport teams with really nice products. And they are actually on board with us and have provided us with super nice tools. The main thing that we are having from them, that they have get us a super nice wheel gun so we can tighten the wheel nuts for the car. But they also have regular tools also, which truly is as nice as the motorsport versions stuff. So super proud to have them on board, and it will be really nice to be able to use the new tools when we're building the car, and you are going to see a lot more of the tools in the upcoming episodes here. So amazing to have them on board. And with that said, we would like to wrap up this episode. As usual, super thankful for everyone that are liking our videos and comment in the comment section. Keep doing that, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.